Arrange corner brackets, perimeter poles, and connectors in the general configuration of the tent. Begin assembly of the frame by inserting the perimeter poles into the corner brackets and ensure that the snap pins lock into place. Insert hip poles into corner brackets. All 4 poles should be installed with the open hole end towards the sky. Install the crown cluster bracket by inserting a hip pole first, then going counterclockwise around the bracket. Lay the roof over the frame and peak, making sure the top aligns with the corner brackets. Lift one side of the frame and install legs along that side. Lift the other side of the frame and install the legs into the corner brackets. Bring the Y straps through the metal rings and clip with carabiner. Attach the bottom of the tent straps to the legs of the tent by inserting the hook into the hole at the bottom of the leg pole. Locate the ratchet in the middle of the strap and tighten until taut. Repeat on all legs. Velcro all corners. Fold the strap and Velcro into the vinyl pocket. Drive the stakes into the ground 5 feet out from the corner legs. Take the 3-foot ground stake and wrap the loop strap around the head of the stake twice. And ratchet the strap to tighten.